flying right over us.
Oh, wow.
That's a Chinook.
Woohoo! Yeah, but look. Right here, buddy.
I wish the president would take the same route.
See the president?
And he's going to fly right overhead, but they won't let us watch the landing unless we're a VIP guest.
But he's welcome for s'mores at our place tomorrow, okay? Come on by.
How long you guys been here?
A week. Yeah, and I'm really surprised he was able to get in. It must have been a late-minute cancellation, and he just slid right in. I mean, you know, sometimes you're just lucky.
We saw two helicopters. One of them was probably a decoy, but they were like those cool ones with two wings. And they both flied over there. One came around in a loop. And it was just really awesome to be in the presence of the President of the United States.